Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 best modifications for off-road vehicles. Whether you're a seasoned off-roader or just getting started, these mods will take your adventures to the next level. We're talking about transforming your trusty steed into a mud-slinging, rock-crawling, trail-conquering beast. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the world of off-road modifications. Let's get started. First up on our list, we have lift kits. Now, lift kits are like the high heels of the off-road world. They give your vehicle that extra bit of ground clearance, making it look more aggressive and capable. And trust me, nothing screams I'm ready to tackle anything like a vehicle that's towering over everything else on the road. But it's not just about looks. That extra height can be the difference between clearing a treacherous obstacle and getting high-centered on a rock. Plus, you'll have a commanding view of the trail ahead, which is always a plus when you're navigating through the wilderness. Imagine driving through a muddy trail with mud splashing everywhere and your vehicle just glides over it effortlessly. Lift kits also allow you to fit larger tires, which means better traction and stability on uneven surfaces. And let's not forget the aesthetic appeal. A lifted truck against a beautiful sunset is a sight to behold. Whether you're leading the pack or just enjoying a solo adventure, lift kits can transform your off-road experience. So, if you're looking to reach new heights, both literally and figuratively, lift kits are the way to go. Alright, let's talk tires. Tires are the unsung heroes of your vehicle, especially when it comes to off-roading. You wouldn't wear flip-flops to a rodeo, would you? Just like you wouldn't wear dress shoes to a construction site. Of course not. The same goes for your off-road vehicle. It needs the right footwear too. Off-road tires are designed to provide superior traction and durability in the toughest conditions. They are built to conquer the elements. We're talking about deep mud, loose gravel, and everything in between. Rocky terrain. These tires can handle it all. No obstacle is too great. They have aggressive tread patterns that bite into the ground and reinforce sidewalls that can withstand punctures. These features ensure you stay on track. So ditch those flimsy street tires and get yourself a set of off-road tires that will keep you moving when the going gets tough. Trust us, your adventures will thank you. Next up, we have skid plates. These are essential for anyone serious about off-roading. Think of skid plates as a suit of armor for your vehicle's undercarriage. They provide a crucial layer of protection. When you're out on the trails, you're bound to encounter rocks, logs, and all sorts of other hazards that could do some serious damage to your vehicle's vital components. These obstacles are unpredictable and can appear out of nowhere. Skid plates are designed to deflect these obstacles and protect your engine, transmission, and other sensitive parts. They act as a barrier, absorbing impacts that would otherwise harm your vehicle. They're like that friend who always takes the punch for you. Without them, your off-road adventures could end in costly repairs. So, before you head out on your next off-road adventure, make sure you've got a good set of skid plates installed. Trust me, your vehicle will thank you for it. Skid plates are an investment in the longevity and durability of your off-road machine. Chapter 4, Winch, your off-road guardian angel. Let's face it, even the most experienced off-roaders get stuck sometimes. That's where a winch comes in. A winch is like having a superhero on standby, ready to rescue you from any sticky situation. Whether you're buried in mud, hung up on a rock, or just need a little help getting unstuck, a winch can pull you out with ease. It's basically a motorized spool of cable that you can attach to a sturdy object like a tree or another vehicle. Chapter 5, Snorkel. Breathing easy even underwater. Just kidding, sort of. Alright, let's talk about water crossings. Now, I'm not suggesting you turn your vehicle into a submarine, but if you're planning on doing any serious off-roading, chances are you're going to encounter some water hazards. That's where a snorkel comes in. A snorkel is basically an extended air intake that allows your engine to breathe even when you're driving through deep water. It's like giving your vehicle a giant straw to sip air from while it's wading through a river. Chapter 6. Off-road lights turning night into day. Off-roading isn't just a daytime activity. Sometimes the best trails are best explored under the cover of darkness. But driving at night can be tricky, especially when you're off the beaten path. That's why you need a good set of off-road lights. Off-road lights are designed to provide superior illumination in low-light conditions, giving you a clear view of the trail ahead. Alright, let's talk about traction. When you're driving off-road, you're going to encounter all sorts of uneven terrain. One tire might be on a slippery rock while the other is stuck in mud. This can cause your wheels to spin, leaving you stranded. That's where locking differentials come in. Locking differentials allow you to lock both wheels on an axle together so they spin at the same speed. When you're navigating through tight trails, it's easy to scrape the sides of your vehicle on rocks, trees, and other obstacles. That's why you need a good set of rock sliders. Rock sliders are basically heavy-duty bars that mount to the sides of your vehicle, protecting your doors, fenders, and rocker panels from damage. Off-road adventures require a lot of gear. You've got your camping equipment, tools, spare tire, and maybe even a cooler full of snacks. That's where a roof rack comes in. A roof rack provides valuable extra storage space, allowing you to bring everything you need for your trip without sacrificing interior space. Finally, no off-road setup is complete without an air compressor. Tire pressure is crucial for off-road performance. You need to air down your tires for better traction on soft surfaces and then air them back up for highway driving. An air compressor allows you to adjust your tire pressure on the go, so you can always have the optimal setup for the terrain. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. And don't forget to leave a comment below about your favorite off-road modification. Until next time, happy trails.